Hello. I made this video on the morning, but I did not. But the video is private, so it's gonna be on public. So wait for that, and you're gonna be seeing a bunch of cool stuff. But we're playing Animal Company. Okay, this is record 2. Ooh. So there's a reason why I had to update my game. It wasn't showing me this screen. Why is he not on Snapchat? Okay, look. Oh wow. Oh no. This is him.
Hello guys, and welcome to an Animal Company video. Me and Spike GT, we have never done this.
Yeah, oh wait. Mirror. Don't ask me why I look like that. Don't ask me. Wait, why am I not white?
Yeah, we played with Animal Company together, but we actually don't record it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go mess with the chicken. I'm gonna get you a grappler from my secret stash. Do you need a grappler?
Yeah. Just in case if I accidentally get lost. What do you mean just in case if I got lost? Bro, how is a grappler gonna help me to find my way out? It can't glitch out through the map.
Do you think we could try without one and I can try with one?
Yeah, you could try with one and I could try without one. What is this thing?
Yeah, and also, this is a part of Boxing Corporations, the blue grappler. Come on, let's go.
At least I guess they removed the lava.
And if anyone doesn't know who we are, we do Big Scary a lot because we just got one done today, so it's like a double upload.
Yeah. Me and him should have done parts. So it's a bit easier to send it. It's because if we do parts, it won't be that long to send.
Yeah, like if he sent me in the call like level 16, which we be it would be able to go through because we did it pretty fast.
Yeah.
My favorite level is level 18 because it's fun.
I don't know what my favorite.
You know what I want to do? I want to grab a grappler. I want to grab a grappler, and I want to grab a big flashlight, and I want to flash that anglerfish.
I think we gotta use these. Oh yeah, you gotta use them. You gotta make it up there for somehow. Oh crap! Well, I did not expect that. What is this? Oh, this is a scanner, but I'm not gonna buy it.
Where's the egg?
Boxing Corporation.
Boxing Corp.
It should become my. I wish I would. Can I keep? Can I?
You wait.
No.
Wait, where's the box? The box!
It almost fell. It was an inch away from falling. Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna go distract that chicken.
I'm going in. I'm actually scared.
We're going in together, my brother!
Yeah. What did that do? I clicked the button.
Oh, it sends the chicken here.
How much did we even send? I forgot that you could hide in a bush. I know that you could hide in a bush. You could hide in a bush.
Come back here.
I forgot that the only way how to get away from him is by you hiding from a bush. Oh crap, I'm falling. Hey Josh, are you there?
I see your blood trails.
That was actually so scary. I was able to remove the fog.
Get the chicken. Are you coming back?
Yeah. I'm in forest. I'm hearing you. I think you passed me. I'm going to go to chicken. I flew to chicken. I see Boxing Corporation. It's a Boxing Corporation. This thing is leading a trap. This is leading a trap to my death.
Yeah.
I forgot that you could hide in the bushes just to get away from it. Oh, there. If you start hearing things, hide in that bush. Okay, I'm safe. I'm safe. I did not die.
I'm hiding.
I hid in a bush.
All right. I hear you.
Okay. Oh wait, I could see where. Oh wait, this thing is leading me where the chicken is. Right now, you're moving.
Tell me where the exit is.
Do you just lead to a dead end? I think you're going the wrong.
Tell me on the wall.
I think you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. I could see the egg. But you're not near it.
All I need to know is the exit.
I do not know where the exit. Oh wait. I think you're getting close to me. Find a bush. Wait. Let me see. Are you getting close to me? Yeah. You're getting close. You're getting close. You just ran to a dead end. Okay. Oh wait, I could hear you. Where are you? Hey Josh? Hurry up, I could hear him.
Over here.
Come over here.
Send that chicken over here. Send the chicken.
Can I tell you? Can I tell you how I knew where you were?
I saw that.
Okay. So this is where the exit is. You went over there.
Oh wait, we need to both go in there.
Okay. He's right now getting a bit close.
It's right there.
Okay. But if one of us finds the okay, look, see, we gotta make it up there.
All right, let's go.
Okay. And if one of us finds, but if we lose each other, so looks like it's gonna go over here. I hope I'm going the right way. Should I send him over here?
No.
Okay, it's somewhere around over here. I wonder if it's hiding in a bush. That's what I'm wondering. I'm hearing him. I heard him. That's why I hid. My headset's really low.
Just pull the...
It feels like I'm getting close, but... Ghost lady! Ghost lady.
There's one with she in here.
Yeah, man, bro. You gotta find the exit. Or just die. Yeah, man, I'd rather die. No! I need his...
find my grappler.
Bro, that was scary how she was in there. And now I'm flying again. What is going on? In my head. He never got his. We never found his grappler. Yep. I just wish that if my headset did not die, we would be able to find it.